How to fix login issues on Bigo Live. Having trouble logging into Bigo Live on your iPhone? Logging issues can be frustrating, but often a few simple steps can get you back into your account. Let's troubleshoot common login problems. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try opening another app that requires internet to confirm your connection is working. Double check your username and password for typos. If you're unsure, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to reset it via iPhone or email. Ensure you're using the correct login method like phone, Facebook, or Google. It's easy. Ensure your Bigo Live is updated in the App Store. If issues persist, try deleting and reinstalling the app. If all else fails, contact Bigo Live customer support through their website for further assistance. With these steps, you should be able to resolve Bigo Live action issues. Login issues. Get back to streaming and connecting. Like and subscribe for more Bigo Live troubleshooting guides.